Okay, so I think in the previous section we covered what is design and what are the various design consideration. Yeah, so here let's touch upon various steps in the design process. And first and foremost step in the design process is recognizing the need. Yeah, so need or necessity. So as the saying goes, necessity is the mother of invention. Yeah, so that's one of the fuel for the technological advancements. So historically, you take any product for that matter, there was always a strong need or demand for that particular product, and that's the reason the product was there. You take the horse carriages, in the past, and how the transformation happened into the IC engines, and now we are talking about electric engines. We are talking about green emissions. We are talking about fuel cells, right? So there is always a strong need. So now the need in automotive is, uh, you know, green, right? So we wanted to manufacture green automobile, right? So there is a strong need there, and that's why your technologies are also increasing exponentially. Yeah, you can also think about how the production started. Initially we had a lot of manpower or mechanical work, and then how the steam engine was invented, and how we use the power of steam to reduce the manpower or to do a lot of operations in the factories. And then we also talk about the automation, right? And now we see the or at least hear about the dark factories, where the factories are completely automated, right? So there is a strong need at each and every point of time, yeah, to create any product. Let's take an example. You are working on a project to reduce the noise of an engine. Why are you working on that? Because one of the engine what you are already working on, or what's the available commercially, it's making so much of noise. Maybe the customer is not happy with it. Yeah, so that's the reason you are designing, and you're working on a project to reduce the engine noise. Okay, and in a lot of places you may also have a technology push. Say for example, the invention of microwave technology, right? I think Percy Spencer invented this technology, and initially his intention was not to create it for a kitchen appliances. Yeah, I think it was also one of accidental innovation, where one of a food product whatever he was having during this experimentation got melted, right? So and then there was a need, that this technology can be used for the kitchen, or the food purpose. Yeah, so use the radiation to heat the food items. So that's the basic working here. Yeah, and then the application of that into edible or the food business is something which took place, right? We talk about vulcanized rubber again. Vulcanized rubber is nothing but the process of heating the rubber in presence of sulfur, and make the rubber more wear resistant, and say for example, uh, resist the bulging of rubber, so on and so forth. Yeah, so this invention was also very critical in terms of the advancements what happened in the tire industry, right? I think vulcanization of rubber, this invention by Charles Goodyear, is very critical, or was very critical for the advancements in the tire industry. And now we are talking about a lot of patterns of tires, tubeless tires, and a lot of things, right? But the invention of this vulcanized rubber process gave that technology push for you know the tech for this tires. Okay, so the key takeaway here is that for any project you're working on, yeah, or any product you're going to design, yeah, the important thing is to understand the need for it. Yeah. So first you understand the need, and then that would fuel the objective of the product or the project for that matter. Yeah.